Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of yPredict, a presale crypto powering an AI trading signal platform. Get ready for its price predictions, features, and potential as a top altcoin. Like and subscribe for more. Let's get started. Introduction to yPredict. Hey there! Meet yPredict, not just a cryptocurrency, but an AI-powered presale token. It's riding the AI trend, and liquidity from this sector could make it a game changer. Short-term price outlook. Short-term, we're looking at a price of 8 cents by end of 2023. AI companies are gaining ground, giving yPredict a boost. Mid-term price potential. Zooming to 2025, yPredict's cap supply and fee generation model could push it to 30 cents. It's a potential long-term player. Long-term price speculation. Fast forward to 2030. Staking and trader demand might create scarcity, pushing yPredict to $1.40. Remember, these are just projections. Key project highlights. Quick facts. yPredict has 100 million tokens, with 28% in the presale, raising $1.4 million. Stages: private presale, public. That's yPredict, merging AI and crypto. Remember, markets change fast. Do thorough research before investing. Like, share, and subscribe for more crypto insights. Stay curious and happy investing.